Hello everyone, if you want to remove powered by Shopify text, then this video is for you. Then I will give you the easy steps to remove and delete lifetime powered by Shopify text on your store. As you see guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, scroll down. Then I will show you the example of powered by Shopify text on your store. Then go directly and hit on eye icon on your Shopify, then scroll down. Then guys, this is my Shopify powered by Shopify, my store powered by Shopify example. Then guys, I will give you the easy method to remove and delete this on your store. Then go back to your store and go and hit on online store, then scroll to theme section, then hit on theme section. Then guys, go directly next to customize. There is 3 dots. If you are using the paid version or the free version, then go and hit on 3 dots, then scroll down to edit default theme content. Then guys, click on edit default theme. Then guys, in the search bar on the top, tap powered by Shopify, for example, powered. As you see guys, powered. Then guys, go directly and put a space for each search bar. Then guys, on the top, hit on save. Then wait a few seconds, then automatically powered by Shopify was removed and deleted on your store. Then if you want to show you, then go back and hit on online store and click on eye icon. That will show you how your powered by Shopify was removed. As you see guys, my store, there is no powered by Shopify. As you see guys, this is the easy and the only method to remove powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.